Since wet wipes appeared in 1960s, they are widely used in developed regions such as Europe and America. The categories and uses of wet wipes are becoming more and more diversified, including application scenarios such as homes, hotels, restaurants, civil aviation, and hospitals. However, the popularity of wet wipes in developing countries and regions such as Asia, the Middle East and Africa, and Latin America is relatively low. With the enhancement of people's awareness of hygiene and the improvement of consumption ability, wet wipe products are expected to be further promoted in the future. The automatic wet wipes production line is specially used to produce wet wipes by cutting the entire roll of tissue paper into fixed width, length and folds, adding liquid, counting and stacking, and then transporting the stacks to the packaging machine for packaging. The complete process is fully automated and the production process is fast and hygienic. Our company can provide wet wipe production lines with various specifications and packaging requirements. If you are interested in this industry, welcome to consult us for more information.